Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser option here, and after that type Visual Studio Code on your search option. This is the option, and here you can see Visual Studio Code option. This is their official website. Just click the link here. And here you can see this option, download it for Windows. As we are download it for Windows right now, just click it this option. And as you can see, the download it automatically begin, but I previously downloaded it option, so I don't need to download it again. So I'm gonna pause it. So after finishing your download, just go to the folder that your downloaded file is, and to install it, just double click the file, select run, and now just select I accept the agreement option and click next. And here you can see your application will install in this folder. If you want to change, just click the browse option here, then click next. Click next. You can select this one to create desktop icon. Just click next and click install. As you can see, it is preparing to install the file, so just wait a bit, and the installation process is started. So you have to wait a bit to completely install the Visual Studio Code. And as you can see, my installation process is complete. All I have to do is select this finish option, and my Visual Studio Code is here. It is launching for the first time, and here you go. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys in the next video.